Ever wondered if you can directly buy your favorite digital assets right from the sleek, secure confines of your Tangem wallet? It's a question many of you have probably pondered, especially as you navigate the sometimes confusing world of cryptocurrency. You've got your Tangem, you love its simplicity and robust security, but the burning question remains, is it a gateway to direct crypto purchases, or just a storage solution? Well, let's peel back the layers on this. The Tangem Wallet, for those new to the game, is a hardware wallet. Think of it as a super secure, physical key to your crypto. Unlike software wallets that live on your phone or computer, Tangem cards are credit card-sized devices that use NFC technology to sign transactions. This physical separation is a huge plus for security, making it incredibly difficult for hackers to get their grubby hands on your private keys. Your keys, in essence, never leave the card, which is a massive win for peace of mind. Now, back to the buying part. This is where we need to understand the fundamental purpose of a hardware wallet like Tangem. Its primary function is to secure your cryptocurrencies. It's a vault, a safe deposit box for your digital wealth. It's designed to protect your private keys and facilitate secure transactions from the wallet. It's not, by its very nature, a cryptocurrency exchange. So, to directly answer the question, no, you cannot directly buy crypto on the Tangem wallet itself. The Tangem wallet doesn't have an integrated fiat to crypto on-ramp. You can't just plug in your bank card details and hit buy within the Tangem app. However, this absolutely does not mean your Tangem wallet isn't part of your crypto purchasing journey. Far from it. Here's how it typically works. You'll use a separate cryptocurrency exchange, think giants like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or even decentralized exchanges, DEXs, to actually purchase your crypto with fiat currency, like USD, Euro, NGN, etc. Once you've made your purchase on the exchange, that's when your Tangem wallet steps in. After buying your crypto on the exchange, you then initiate a withdrawal from the exchange to your Tangem wallet. The Tangem app will generate the receiving address for your chosen cryptocurrency, and you will paste that address into the withdrawal section of your exchange. This is where the magic of self-custody happens. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your crypto is no longer held by the exchange, it's secured by your Tangem wallet, under your sole control. This is the ultimate goal for many crypto users, moving their assets off exchanges and into a secure, personal hardware wallet. So, while the Tangem wallet isn't a direct buying platform, it's an indispensable tool for securing your crypto after you've acquired it. It empowers you to take full ownership and control of your digital assets, mitigating the risks associated with leaving your funds on an exchange. Think of it as the ultimate destination for your crypto, not the starting point for its purchase. It completes the circle of secure crypto ownership. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.